So are you planning to learn Java programming language? Then before start to learn Java programming, so watch this video guys, then you can understand how to learn Java as a absolute beginner or fresher guys. So you may have doubt what are the prerequisites to learn Java. So guys, if you are a computer science background candidate, then you might have familiar with the C and C++ programming language. So in case if you are non-IT background student, you don't know nothing, you don't know anything about programming language, you are from non-IT background student, then you have to learn some fundamentals of programming concepts guys, like you have to start with the C programming language. Otherwise you may not understand Java programming language if you directly start to learn Java. So I highly recommend you, if you are computer science background candidate, then you can start to learn Java directly, no problem at all. If you are from non-IT background candidate, then you have to learn some basics of, you have to learn some fundamentals of programming language concepts guys. Better to learn C programming language. After learning C programming language, then you can start Java programming language to better understand. The question is how to learn Java programming language as an absolute beginner. So you have to concentrate on more on fundamentals concept guys to understand better as a Java programming language. Okay, first understand why Java programming language, why not other programming language, where we are using Java programming language, what kind of projects we are developing by using Java programming language, and what is the career growth if you learn Java programming language. So you have to consider all these questions guys before start to learn any technology. Don't learn any technology blindly. You must have answers for these questions guys before learning any technology. So after understanding of why Java programming language, what kind of projects we are developing, where we are using Java programming language, what is the feature of Java programming language. Okay, so after understanding these concepts, you have to understand what is a variables concepts, data types concept, and then operators. Okay, so after that you have to learn control statements, okay, and the loops. So after understanding the control statements and the loops concept, then the instructor will introduce object oriented programming concepts guys. So these concepts are very important as a Java developer guys. Object oriented programming concepts like class, object, okay, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, dynamic binding. So they will explain with examples guys. You have to understand very clearly these object oriented programming concepts guys. Without understanding the OOPS concept, okay, so you may not understand the other concepts as well guys. Therefore you have to practice a lot with these concepts only guys, because in entry point of time also most of the entry panels will focus on these concepts only guys, object oriented programming concepts. With examples you have to learn guys, even as a beginner also. Okay, so after that they will introduce arrays concept, okay, and then collections concept. Arrays and collections also very important for beginners guys. So, because if you are facing any online test or written test, you definitely you definitely face arrays programs and collections programs guys. Okay, so therefore you have to practice very well arrays and collections concept. After that they will introduce strings concept guys. So and then multi-threading concepts guys, okay, and then file handling, okay, and generics, and then generics concept, okay, and file handling concepts. So as a beginner you have to focus on more on the fundamental concepts guys. After that you have to learn object oriented programming concepts, okay, and then collections, arrays, strings, and then you must know some fundamentals of multi-threading concepts. So if you learn all these concepts, then you may crack the any interviews. It might be college placement interviews or off-campus placement interviews guys. So at the same time, you have to practice more and more Java examples, guys. It might be fundamentals of Java examples, arrays examples, strings examples, collections examples, object-oriented programming concept examples. You have to practice a lot, guys. Then only you can get some coding knowledge and coding practice, guys. Because nowadays, every IT company expecting who have strong knowledge on coding skills, guys, not theoretical. Okay, theoretical also is okay, but you must have some practical knowledge. Without a practical example, without a practical knowledge, the IT companies may not hire you. After completion of your core Java, and try to learn advanced concepts also, guys, as a beginner. So like Spring and Spring MVC, Spring Boot, and Hibernate technologies, guys. So if you learn this concept as an absolute beginner, that is enough, guys, to crack a Java developer interview as a fresher. Okay, so along with that, if you have some basic knowledge on what is SDLC, okay, and what is an agile methodology process, okay, and what is Git and GitHub, and also one more database technology like SQL to write some basic queries. You should have able to write some basic SQL queries. So that's enough, guys. So now we'll talk about what is the scope of Java developer. So Java developer positions are evergreen, guys. So these Java developer positions always open in IT companies, guys. There is no doubt in that. First, you have to start your designation as a Java developer, then as a senior Java developer. So after getting 5 to 6 years of experience as a senior Java developer, try to learn front-end technologies as well. Then you can become a full-stack Java developer. In the future, there is a more demand for Java full-stack developer position, guys. After completion of your entire Java training, then try to build on strong resume. So and try to upload your profile in various job portals, guys. Okay, and also try to improve your network connections, guys, who are already working in as a same community like as Java developer. The best the best platform is LinkedIn, guys. If you improve your network by connecting various people related to your technology, then that might be helpful to you. Okay, so that's all, guys, my side. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button, guys. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.